Is your website responsive? Does your website work and look correctly on a mobile device? On which one you would say? Well, on all of them. It's 2022 and everything when it comes to a website should be available everywhere or anywhere. And my question is, how do you check it? How do you check it as a tester? How do you check it as a developer? Well, one way of doing this is, of course, in your specific um, browser, you can use some kind of emulation, and then you can have a look at the site and then check its behavior in different other constellations. However, this gives you only one view at a time. Now, if you want to have multiple views at the same time and be able to make changes here and there, I have a tool for you. And that tool is responsively.app. So you can actually, in this tool, view multiple screens or emulate multiple screens at the same time and be able to spot any issue or any difference that is in that site as to what you would be expecting to actually have. You have a couple of possibilities here. I mean, you can install the Responsively app as an extension, so you have it as a browser extension, or you can download it to your machine and use it as a separate browser. We're going to do the second. So let's copy this website here. It's the website of University of Testing. It's one of the best website in terms of testing support, testing communities. If you don't know it, I recommend you having a look at it. Now we want to have a look and see, is this website working correctly on different kinds of screens? It should, because come on, it's the Ministry of Testing. So we open the Responsively application here. We just paste Ministry of Testing. And as you can see, I have two screens here. On the one hand, I have the iPad, and on the other hand, I have generic laptop. And I can just scroll, and it will scroll simultaneously. But okay, I said you can see multiple screens, and I'm only showing you two. Well, two is not that much. Well, we have here Device Manager. You can go to Customize, and let's see, iPad Mini, iPad Pro, Galaxy S. Okay, let's just add one more. Don't know, make it that slow. Okay, so we have 5 right here. Yeah. So we have the iPad, the laptop, and if we go a little bit, we have iPad Mini, iPad Pro, and Galaxy S. And the same happens if I scroll here. I have total sync here. I can of course choose to say, okay, I don't want to have this event mirroring everywhere, so I can have a look only on the iPad and nothing will happen in the other places. I can also do changes. So if I see that this might require a change, so I can just open the design mode and say, this is a really nice video, like and subscribe, and then I see exactly how this would look on the application. As you can see, the changes that I made here are not here, so the edit thing only applies to the page where you did it. Now, another fun fact, another fun thing that you can do is you can at the same time have a look at the layout. You can flip your devices and see how that behaves. And if you want to, so you like how it looks and you want to make like a screenshot for your baseline, you can just say, well, make a quick screenshot, and it's going to make a quick screenshot of your application and save it on the folder that was configured for the application. And this is how the photo looks like. You can of course do multiple photos. You can make photos from all your screens at the same time. But as it was shown also before, if you have a lot of screens, of course, that may slow the process down. Besides all of these features that we have seen, you can have a look and do element inspection on the different screens. So for example, if you want to check your selectors and you have different selectors based on different screen sizes, you can check it here. You can also live edit your CSS. You can check your navigation. So I know I have a couple of headings here, and I can just go and have one heading 2, a couple of heading 3s, heading 1, none. Okay, let's go back to heading 2. Okay, and of course you can zoom in and see also how that looks on all of the devices. And if you do not want to have that many devices, you can just go back, remove a couple of devices. You can also add a new device. Of course, with time you will need to have new devices as new devices come on the market. And let's reduce this zooming a little bit. Yes, perfect. Now, there you have it. This was one solution how you can make sure that your website is responsive and mobile first. You can use it for both testing and development. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.